Not every tire deserves to be called all-terrain. A lot of them wear that badge but fall apart the moment the pavement ends or wear down too quickly to justify the price. The truth is, a genuinely capable all-terrain tire has to do two jobs: well hold its own on rough, unpredictable ground, and still ride comfortably on the daily commute. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best all-terrain tires of 2026, breaking down their key features and everything you need to know before you buy. Links to every product mentioned are in the description below. Number 5. Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT. If you want an all-terrain tire that looks like it means business, the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT makes a strong first impression. But this tire isn't just about looks, it backs up that aggressive appearance with genuine capability, which is why it earns a spot on this list. You can find the link to this tire in the description below. Starting with the build, the Baja Boss AT runs a 3-ply sidewall construction, which gives it serious resistance against cuts, punctures, and sidewall damage on rocky or jagged terrain. The tread pattern is wide and open, with large shoulder lugs that bite into loose dirt, gravel, and light mud without hesitation. Mickey Thompson also built in stone ejectors between the tread blocks, which prevents small rocks from getting lodged in the grooves and causing long-term damage, a detail that matters more than most people realize on extended trail runs. Off-road, this tire performs confidently on gravel roads, hard-packed dirt, and rocky surfaces. The shoulder lugs add meaningful grip when you're navigating loose terrain at an angle, and the sidewall construction handles low-pressure airing down well for technical sections. Where it shows its limits is in deep mud. The tread spacing, while open, isn't quite aggressive enough to clear thick mud efficiently, so if your drives regularly involve serious mud pits, this isn't your tire. On the highway, the trade-off is noticeable. Road noise sits on the louder side compared to others on this list, and ride comfort is firm rather than plush. The Baja Boss AT also carries a 3 PMSF rating, meaning it meets the standard for severe snow traction, a useful bonus for drivers in mixed climates. For those who spend most of their time on dirt roads, gravel trails, and rocky paths, with occasional highway stretches, the Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT is a capable and visually striking choice at number 5. Number 4. Toyo Open Country A to 3rd. The Toyo Open Country A to 3rd has built a loyal following among truck and SUV owners who want a tire that handles weekend trails without making the Monday morning commute miserable. It's a well-rounded all-terrain option, and that balance is exactly what earns it the number 4 spot. You can find the link to this tire in the description below. The build quality on the Open Country A to 3rd is immediately noticeable. Toyo uses a multi-wave sipe design across the tread blocks, which improves grip on both wet pavement and packed snow. The tread compound itself is engineered to resist chipping and tearing on rough surfaces, and the tie bars between the tread blocks add structural stability so the tire maintains its shape under load. Raised rim protector runs along the lower sidewall, offering a layer of defense against curb and rock damage. Toyo offers this tire across a wide size range, covering most light trucks, SUVs, and crossovers. Off-road, the Open Country A to 3rd handles gravel, dirt, and light trail work with real confidence. Traction on loose surfaces is predictable, and the tire hooks up well on packed dirt even in wet conditions. Where it steps back is in more aggressive terrain. Deep mud and technical rock sections push it beyond its comfort zone, so it's better suited for drivers who stick to moderate off-road use. On the highway, this is where the Toyo genuinely separates itself from many competitors at this price point. Road noise is noticeably lower than most all-terrain tires, and the ride feels composed and controlled at highway speeds. It also carries a 3 PMSF rating, making it a reliable year-round option in regions with occasional snow. For drivers who split their time evenly between pavement and light trails, the Toyo Open Country A to 3rd hits a sweet spot that's hard to argue with at number 4. Number 3. Cooper Discoverer Road+Trail AT. The Cooper Discoverer Road+Trail AT earns its place at number 3 by doing something a lot of all-terrain tires struggle with. It genuinely feels at home on both paved roads and unpaved trails without sacrificing too much in either direction. For drivers who want one tire that handles it all without constant compromise, this one is worth a close look. You can find the link to this tire in the description below. Cooper built this tire around a silica-enhanced tread compound, which helps it maintain flexibility across a wider temperature range and improves grip on wet surfaces compared to older rubber formulas. The tread depth runs generous, with shoulder blocks that extend far enough to provide meaningful traction on loose terrain. The groove design channels water and debris efficiently, and the overall pattern strikes a balance between the open layout needed for off-road grip and the connected surface area needed for stable highway handling. Size availability is broad, covering most light trucks and SUVs without trouble. On dirt roads, gravel, and uneven terrain, the Discoverer Road+Trail AT tracks confidently and handles surface changes without feeling unsettled. It grips well on loose gravel and holds its composure on hard-packed dirt even when conditions are damp. Push it into heavy mud or serious rock crawling though, and it reaches its limits fairly quickly. This tire is built for trail driving, not extreme off-road punishment. Where the Cooper genuinely stands out is on the road. It runs quieter than most all-terrain tires in this price range, and the ride quality on highways is noticeably smooth and comfortable for daily driving. It carries a 3 PMSF rating as well, so light snow and cold weather are well within its capability. For drivers who prioritize daily comfort but still want genuine trail ability on weekends, the Cooper Discoverer Road+Trail AT delivers exactly that at number 3. Number 2, Falken Wildpeak AT4W. The Falken Wildpeak AT4W sits at number 2 for good reason. It takes everything you'd want from a capable all-terrain tire and adds a level of refinement that most tires at this price point simply don't offer. It's the kind of tire that surprises people, aggressive enough for serious off-road use, yet composed enough to make highway driving genuinely pleasant. You can find the link to this tire in the description below. Falken built the Wildpeak AT4W around a 3-ply polyester casing, which gives the sidewall real strength against punctures and cuts on rocky terrain. The tread features offset shoulder lugs that improve lateral grip when navigating uneven surfaces, and the tread depth runs deep enough to maintain traction as the tire wears over time. One standout construction detail is Falken's heat diffuser technology built into the lower sidewall. It helps manage heat buildup during extended highway driving, which directly contributes to longer tread life. That's a practical engineering decision that pays off over the long run. Off-road, the AT4W handles rock, gravel, hard-packed dirt, and moderate mud with real confidence. The sidewall construction holds up well when airing down on technical terrain, and the shoulder lugs dig in effectively on loose angled surfaces. It's not a dedicated mud tire, but it handles mixed off-road conditions better than most all-terrain options on this list. On the highway, the Wildpeak AT4W is surprisingly refined. Road noise is well controlled for an all-terrain tire of this capability level, and high-speed stability feels solid and predictable. It also carries a 3 PMSF rating, and its snow performance is among the strongest in this category, a genuine advantage for drivers in colder climates. The main trade-off worth mentioning is weight. These tires run heavier than some competitors, which can have a minor impact on fuel economy. But for the overall package the Falken Wildpeak AT4W brings to the table, that's a small price to pay at number 2. Number 1, BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO3. The BFGoodrich All-Terrain KO3 takes the top spot, and it's not a close call. BFGoodrich has spent decades refining the KO lineup, and the KO3 builds meaningfully on the already well-regarded KO2, improving tread life, wet traction, and on-road comfort without giving up any of the off-road capability that made this tire a household name among truck and SUV owners. You can find the link to this tire in the description below. The construction starts with BFGoodrich's CoreGuard Max technology, which strengthens the sidewall against splitting and bruising on sharp rocks and rough terrain. The tread compound has been updated from the KO2, offering better resistance to chipping on abrasive surfaces and improved grip on wet pavement. Stone ejectors are built into the tread grooves, preventing rock lodging on extended trail runs, and the shoulder lugs are designed to wrap further around the sidewall for additional bite in loose terrain. BFGoodrich offers the KO3 across one of the widest size ranges of any all-terrain tire on the market, covering everything from compact trucks to full-size SUVs. Off-road, the KO3 is the most well-rounded tire on this list. Rock, mud, gravel, sand, and hard-packed dirt. It handles all of it with a level of confidence and predictability that genuinely sets it apart from the competition. Airing down on technical terrain feels secure, and the sidewall construction handles sharp edge contact without flinching. On the highway, the KO3 rides noticeably smoother and quieter than the KO2, which was a common criticism of the previous generation. High-speed stability is excellent, and wet braking performance is a clear step forward. It carries a 3 PMSF rating, and snow traction is strong across both light and moderate winter conditions. The one honest drawback is price. The KO3 sits at the higher end of the all-terrain category. But for a tire that performs this consistently across this many conditions, it earns every cent of that premium at number 1. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best all-terrain tires of 2026. Whether you're hauling gear down a gravel road every weekend Or just want a tire that can handle whatever the weather throws at your daily drive? There's something on this list for every kind of driver. Links to all 5 tires are in the description below. If this video helped you narrow down your choice, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. It genuinely helps the channel. Drop a comment below letting us know which tire you're going with. We'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.